Hello YouTube, Alu here, and I look like crap, and I don't even care. I look like crap because I'm tired, and I haven't been sleeping much. And I'll tell you why I haven't been sleeping much. It's because of this. This is an algebra book. And now you probably know what school I go to. But that's besides the point. The point is, I hate math a lot. And I hate it more now because I am in the world's most horrible math class ever. I can't even explain it. I'm just going to get on here and bitch about it because I need to get it out before I punch someone. So, this math class, every time I go in it, I just can feel my tolerance level and my happiness level go from here to way down here. It's just I go into class and I just want to stab people. Let me tell you about the class first. It's math class. It's pretty basic math. It's general college algebra. I tested into it. But I'm not the best person at math. I'm not the best mathematician, which is kind of weird considering my major is marine biology. So, I don't know. I gotta think about my life, think about my choices. The teacher in this math class is, he's really bad. His accent is so thick, you cannot understand what he's saying. Point blank, you can't understand what he's saying, period. All the other people in the class, can't understand what he's saying. I can't understand what he's saying, especially because I'm not good at math. So if I'm learning a new word, and you can't pronounce that new word right, if I'm learning the word logarithm, and you can't pronounce the word logarithm right, then I have no idea what you're fucking talking about. He just teaches, he writes on the board, he goes really fast, and he's just crazy, I don't know. So there are other people in the class that get math, so they just watch what he's writing, and they write it down. They're okay, I get this. But they don't listen to his voice. They've told me, but for me, I can't just look at an equation and know what's going on. I need it explained to me. So we'll, ask him questions in the class, and he'll be I don't understand you. And I'm just why are you a teacher? Why are you here? We don't know what you're saying. You don't know what we're saying when we're asking you questions. Why are you in this classroom? Every time I go in there, I just want to, talk correctly. And that sounds really mean, but I think if you were in this class, you'd understand. Everyone who's in the class understands what I'm talking about. People who aren't in the class are just oh, you're just being a bitch. It's not that bad. No. It is that bad. It is. It really is. I've been around different groups of people my whole life. I'm a very cultured person. I've been around people from countries you probably didn't even know existed. But this person has the weirdest accent. It's a mixture of Cambodian and Indian and Chinese. It's the weirdest thing ever. So anyway, but his accent is so thick. I have no idea what he's saying. So I don't know how to do math. And I'm really hoping that I pass this class because I need it. Because it's a prerequisite for a science class that I need for my major. And if I don't pass this class, heads will roll. Why are we in college having to learn this stupid math that we're never going to use again, ever? Even in high school, when they're teaching you that triangle shit, and they're just oh, find x of the triangle. Who the fuck cares? When am I going to use that again? I don't know. It just bothers me. I think if we are going to learn math, it should be something that actually applies to life and applies to actually furthering ourselves as working class citizens of America. You think? Just a suggestion. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know, maybe logarithms, you know, are gonna come in handy when I'm like dancing on a pole. I don't know, maybe some guy is gonna be like, let me put $1 in your thong, but first you gotta tell me what's the square root of pi, bitch. And I'm gonna be like, no cash for me today. I'm tired. I say like a lot, and I have a lisp, apparently. This is just a short bitching blog because I'm pissed about this class, and I have a quiz on Wednesday and a test the week after that. So, if anyone wants to tutor me in math, you should. This sucks because I'm so good at everything else except for math. I'm getting like an A++++ in history. And I'm getting like probably right now like a D in math. I feel like Ren Stevens, like I'm not used to doing badly, so I'm like, need to be perfect. Heads will roll.
Yeah, you sure broke my heart last week when you said you had slept with him. I know you called, I got them all. La da 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 da. Girl, you better love what you got before you go and give it away. But don't say that I don't know you, 'cause oh, I know all about your type. You're the type of girl that texts all day and talks all night. And oh, I know that you are feeling sad. I don't feel bad, 'cause even after 3 text messages, 4 missed calls, you still slept with my best friend.